Hello and welcome to this episode of Callan's Outdoor Adventures. Today we're going to be doing some fishing for carp, catfish, and maybe some gar. So I got the rods out right now with this Panko Jello corn and oatmeal pack bait that I made. I got some bread, corn, and some other stuff, some boilies, some pop-ups. So I don't know. We'll see if we get any hits on that. Hopefully we'll catch some good carp. But, oh, they're free. I'm going to try to get a big fish on this little Zebco dock demon. Whoa. There's something. There's a fish. Right as I was re-rigging my other rods, there's a fish. Oh, it feels like a good fish. Ooh. Oh, he's in my other line. He's going in my other line. Ooh. Ooh. Like a good one. Woo. I got a big carp on this run. Yeah. Yeah, he must have. It was a drop back bite, or this fish ran into the line. Oh, we need the net. This guy's running a whole bunch. He's a strong fighter. Oh yeah, he got into that one. There, he's out. Oh my. I think this guy's a ghost carp. Wait. I think you're under me. Just let me pull him in and we'll get it. I think this is a ghost carp. Look at how white he is. That's a ghost carp. Not huge. He's a good one. Oh my, I might just have to cut my line. He's all in that. Ooh, that's a good one. Hair rig in the bottom lip. There we go. Perfect hook set. Ooh, that's my personal best for ghost carp. It's the first one I ever caught. Yeah, that will. Woo. Careful. Oh, I don't have any kind of landing net or anything. Isn't there an IKEA bag in the... There. You're unhooked. Whoa, that's a good one. Wow. That is my first ever ghost carp. He's just pearly white. No gold on him. Those are big fins. Big spine on the top. Carp is, but I'm pretty sure this guy's a ghost carp. Because ghost carp are like just completely white. Like, look at him. There's no black on his back, no gold. He's just silver, white looking. And he's got barbels, so he's not a crucian carp. He's thick. 6 pounds 8. Can I let him go?
Yes.
Okay. Be free, big guy. Yeah, that's my first ghost carp.